Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Arpita Mehta, working at Icon Hospital as a consultant physiotherapist. Today I am going to talk about the post-COVID rehabilitation. As COVID is affecting lungs more due to lot of infection, breathing capacity is getting reduced day by day. Because of that, people are finding difficulty in breathing during illness and after the illness also. Same thing, due to the lot of weakness during illness, people are complaining more of having back pain. So they are not able to cope up with the pain. So today I am going to show you some breathing and back exercises which will help you to improve your breathing capacity and your which will reduce your back pain. So first I will show you some chest exercises. So we will start with that. For breathing exercises, we have to first take your breath from your nose deeply, and you have to blow your breathing from your, you have to breathe your, while taking breath you have to take it from your nose, and while taking out you have to blow it from your mouth. And this exercise will coordinate with the hand so that your lung function will also improve. So I'll show you the exercise. Take your hands up, and while taking your hands up you have to take your breath from the nose, and take your hand down. While taking down you have to take your breath out from the mouth. The same way, one more time, take your hands up, take the breath from the nose, take your hands down, take out the breath from the mouth. Same thing you have to do it sideways. Take your hands sideways from up, you have to take your breath from the nose, and while taking down you have to take your breath out from the mouth. Again one more time, breathe in from the nose and breathe out from the mouth. Again same from take up, taking, yes, take down, breathe out from the mouth. Right, these two exercises. Then after that we have to do some chest expansion exercises. In that chest expansion exercises we have to take our breath from the respective chest areas. From that areas only we have to take your breath up, breathe in and breathe out. Now for example, sideways, keep your chest up. Yes, you have to take your breath from this sideways. You have to feel that your chest is moving up while you are breathing in, and your chest is going down when you are breathing out. Same thing, when you are taking your breath in, you have to blow from the mouth. You have to take it from the nose, and while taking out you have to blow it from the mouth. One more time. Take it in, out, take it in, out. Yeah. Now same way, you keep your hands on the chest above. You just have to breathe from the chest above only. While taking up, your chest should come up, and while breathing out your chest should go down. So while taking breathe in, breathe from the nose, breathe out from the mouth. Breathe from the nose, breathe out from the mouth. Breathe from the nose, breathe out from the mouth. Yeah. One more exercise, you have to do it from the stomach. While taking breath in and out, your only stomach should feel the breaths. While taking breath in, your stomach should go out, and while breathing out your stomach should go in. So the same way, while taking the breath in you have to take it from the nose, and while breathing out you have to take it from the mouth. Do it. Breathe in, your stomach should go out. Breathe out, your stomach should go in. Take it from the nose, breathe in and blow it through the mouth. Breathe out. Right. Now these are all breathing and chest exercises you have to do thrice a day, and you have to start with the counts 10 repetitions, and you have to slowly increase in with that. And along with that, you have to do this exercise also. This is called spirometer, which we use to improve your breathing capacity as well. Now for this, how you have to do? You have to take this tube inside your mouth. When you take your inside mouth, you should sit upright. Hold this tube should go inside the mouth. Now while breathe in, here these 3 balls should come up. So while taking breathe in, you should take as much as deep you can and you should take it in your breath. So these balls should go up. This is mainly used to take your to improve your inspiration capacity of your chest. Again, one more time I will show you. You have to take this tube at your mouth and you have to deeply blow your breath in. Now for expiration, you have to take this spirometer like this upside down. You have to take this tube in the mouth and you have to blow out in that. So this is mainly used for the improving your expiration of your lung capacity. So these two are also exercises to improve your breathing capacity. Now these all we saw about the chest exercises. Now we will see about back exercises. We'll start with the back exercises. For that, first keep your legs straight and move your ankle up and down for 10 times. Yes, then make it round one side and then opposite again. It's a clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. These 3 exercises you have to do 10 repetitions each. Now I'll keep pillow below your leg. You can keep roll towel, you can keep pillow below the legs. Now you have to press your both the heels down on that legs. You have to hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. Press one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. Same way, I'll keep the pillow below the knee. Yes. Now you have to press the knee down on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. Then I'll keep the pillow between both the legs. You have to press your both the legs inside the pillow. Press it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. Right. Now these 3 pressing exercises, you have to start your back exercises with the pressing exercises only. Now bend your both the legs. That leg also. Now take your stomach in and up and hold it your breath for some times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. Again take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. If you won't understand in exercises, then you can do it this way. Put your pillow, put your pillow below the back and you press your back down on that. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. You can do this exercise both ways. Now bend one leg. Now you have to bend one leg and you have to take your another leg straight up till the another knee level. Bas, you have to hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave. Again. Now we have to bend one leg and you have to take another leg straight up till the knee level, right? 1 2 3 4 5 down. You have to hold it for 5 seconds again. Down, take up, 1 2 3 4 5 down. Same way we can do it with the other leg. Bend this leg and take this leg straight up, 1 2 3 4 5 down, take up, 1 2 3 4 5 down, right? Then next exercise, bend both the legs. Yes, keep your hands aside and lift your waist up, right? Hold it for 5 seconds, 1 2 3 4 5 down, up, 1 2 3 4 5 down, up, 1 2 3 4 5 down, right? Now next exercise, same with the bent legs. You have to take both the legs in one side and simultaneously you have to see it on another side. So it should be opposite. You are seeing on one side and you are taking both the legs on another side. You should feel the stretch on the back. The back shouldn't get lifted from the couch. You should feel the stretch over here on the back. 1 2 3 4 5. Same with the other side. Take that side. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5. Again this side, that side, 1 2 3 4 5. This side, 1 2 3 4 5. One more time, take your both the legs this side. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5. And this side, 1 2 3 4 5. Right. Now straighten your one leg. Straighten your one leg. Yes. Take this leg in your hands and press it as much as you can towards your body and hold it for 10 counts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Lift. Again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Same this leg. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. One more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is a back stretching. What you have to do it only 3 times, not more than that. So once you press your legs over the body, you have to hold it for 10 seconds and leave. But this exercise you have to only repeat for 3 times. Now next exercise, go on one side. You have to go on one side. Then down leg should be bent. Up leg, make it straight and you have to take this straight leg up, right? 1 2 3 4 5 down, take up, 1 2 3 4 5, take up, 1 2 3 4 5, right? Same with other leg. Go on that side. Take the leg straight up, 1 2 3 4 5, up, 1 2 3 4 5, up, 1 2 3 4 5, right? Now next exercise, go on back, go on stomach. You should go prone on your stomach. Then lie down completely straight. Lie down completely. Yes. Now you have to take your legs straight up without bending in knee. You have to lift your knee as well. 1 2 3 4 5 down, up, 1 2 3 4 5 down, up, 1 2 3 4 5 down. Now same with this leg. 1 2 3 4 5 down, up, 1 2 3 4 5 down, up, 1 2 3 4 5 down, right? Now next exercise, keep your hands over here. Yeah, your elbow should be on the couch and without lifting your elbow you should come up. right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Slowly, when you progress, you can lift your elbow up and you can directly come up. Elbow uchal, honey. Yes, right. But this is a progression. Initially, you just have to keep your elbow on the couch only and you have to only come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, right. Now sit. Next exercise. You should keep sit upright. You should keep your both the hands behind the head and you have to rotate one side. So you have to rotate it on one side and hold it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. Another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight. This side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight. Again this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight. Fine. Bas. So now these all we saw about the chest and back exercises. These all exercises you should do twice or thrice a day, and you have to start with each and every exercise with the 8 repetitions, and slowly you can progress with the 9, 10 and 11. It's like that till the time whenever you possible you can do it 15, 16, 17 repetitions. You can do that repetitions, but you have to do every day. Once you start with these exercises, definitely your breathing capacity will also increase and your back pain will also get reduced. Thank you.